Assalamu alaikum guys. Yay, we are going to do this. The DIY mask thing. Yes. DIY. See, I love this mask. It's not going to give you instantaneous results because A, it's not magic. B, it's not magic. 3, it's not magic. Did I just say 3? And let's get this baby on the run. Let's bomb. First of all, let me shift this before we pour. I have a container right here. Just get anything. It's a plastic container, has nothing in it. I'm going to put a little bit of sugar, just a little bit, maybe a teaspoon because it's a full spoon of sugar. Yeah, that should do. This is oil. You can use olive oil or any oil you have. It's actually, my mom got this. I don't know where she got it from, but it's amazing. It's oil. This is turmeric powder and some milk. All you need for this DIY mask thing is simple stuff. Very simple stuff. You can get this from your house. So you put the milk. I think this is too much milk, honestly, but yeah, let me just put it away. Yeah, anyway, so baby girls, turmeric powder, put it in, sieve it. In case you make too much and you don't want to waste it, you can actually put it in the fridge. You can actually, this oil, I'm going to put it, it's almost finished actually, but I didn't all use it on this mask. My grandma actually taught me this. I was talking to her about, I got a little bit of pimples there and there. Just my skin hasn't been the best. So we were talking and I told her about it, and then she gave me all these recipes. I was like, okay, I'm going to try it. I'm going to give it a shot, and I must say, she was right. She was right. I'm going to mix it. So you want to continue mixing it till you make a paste. You should get something like this. I have to get a thumbnail. Bingo, bingo, bingo. I have a dog. We call him Bingo. You should feel something like this. Put it all over your problem area, okay? Don't be afraid. This is going to happen to you. And my problem is I actually have discoloration, so it actually helps with discoloration too. I love this mask. So you should do it, I do it 2 times a week. You can just make the paste and keep it inside the fridge. Dark circles. Yep. See? I've got a lot left. I'm just going to put it in the fridge. But in the meantime, I am going to take pictures. So now that we are done with the goofing around, you want to give a 30 to 1 hour honestly on the face. Like I do this in the morning time or at night time when I have so much work to do. So I just put it on my face and I just go out and I just start to work. Like I just ignore it and I just start to work and I just work. So sometimes I would even pass 1 hour. It's just on my face, like literally, and honestly I've seen the improvements. Like I've only been doing it for a month, I think. No, for actually more than a month, almost 2 months. I've been doing it, and honestly, I am not the kind of person that would stick to, you know, creams and other stuff. So this really helps. Like when I began to see the results after a while, I was like, yay! So now if you want an updated skincare routine, hit your girl up. Write that in the comment section, baby girl. Write it down. Okay, so if you want that, you can do that. We sure can do that. We can do that. We can do that. We can do that. I'm feeling gangster. I think it's this camo thing makes me feel gangster. Makes me feel gangster. Gangster. Oh god, I really am not gangster. I'm kidding myself. Oh, and you want to put chapet on, orange chapet, only orange chapet. Don't put any other flavor.
Yo, what's up? So as you can see, I was busy talking. You don't want to hear what I was saying. So after that 30 minutes to I took it to 45 minutes. Actually, I took it off. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you gained something from this. Subscribe. Love you. Check IG for me.